Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to group tab in Google Chrome browser. And this features is hidden features, how to enable these features and deal with these features or use of this very good and fantastic features in Google Chrome browser. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So open your new tab and just type here CHROME / and then flags, enter. So here some temporary unexpired flags, number of features are available, but we need to tab and then type here this search flag tab GROUPS groups. So here number one tab is come tab group. That one is a default for each operating system, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS. So here enable to this one. So you just click enable to this one, so you change all, take your next time Google Chrome. So now I am relaunching my Google Chrome app. So my Google Chrome is totally relaunched, and so this is feature. So how to use these features or what exactly advantage of that feature? So first tab and you click here. So here new indexing are come, add tab to new group. So I am adding this group, and then look at this color are totally changed. So now I am adding that one also, new group. And this already I created this group, so automatically comes both are in a single group. 1 and 2 tabs are in a single group. Suppose for example I am putting that one also, I am putting one of group also, that one is my LinkedIn profile. I click here and then tab this one. So 3 tabs are in a single groups. It's very simple and useful features for the day. You can accordingly you can change the color also here, this group color accordingly. The strips color are changed, which color you like, accordingly you change the color. And here some tabs also available, new tab in group, ungroup, close group, move group to new window, like that way some features also available. So that one is a hidden features of Google Chrome. You can use these features and enjoy of Google Chrome tab. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.